In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Circle.so community from scratch. Whether you're looking to create a vibrant space for discussion or foster connections around a common interest, following these steps will set you on the right path. To get started, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. You have the flexibility to do this using either your email or Google account, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once you're logged in, it's time to brainstorm and choose a community name and URL. It's important to make them both clear and memorable, as this is how your members will recognize and access your community. Next, it's time to dive into branding. Adding a logo is a small step that packs a punch by helping members quickly identify your community. It's part of making your community feel like a unique space they belong to. Alongside visuals, make sure to set your default visibility. Decide whether you'd like your community to be public, accessible by invitation only, or fully private. Each choice offers a different level of openness and security, so think about what suits your community goals best. Now we move on to configuring the basic settings. It's important to set your time zone correctly, as this affects scheduling and timely communication with your members. People from different parts of the world might be joining your community, so selecting the right language and ensuring it's easily understandable for your audience is crucial. While optional, adding a welcome message can be a nice touch. It gives you the chance to leave a friendly note for newcomers, making them feel valued and informed right from the get-go. These foundational steps will set you up for success as you venture into growing your community. Maintaining an approachable and inclusive environment is key to fostering engagement and keeping your members coming back. Remember, the name and branding are what catch attention, but the settings and accessibility tailor the experience to match your community's desired tone and structure. By thoughtfully setting up your circle, community with these steps, you're poised to build a hub that not only attracts members, but also enriches their experiences within your curated space. As you go forward, regularly updating and engaging with your community will keep things dynamic and enjoyable for everyone involved. Now, with these initial steps complete, you're well on your way to launching a thriving Circle.so community. Happy building, and may your community flourish.